giving a colloquium. I remember sitting all the way at the back, and I think it was Albert Crew at the time, and he was describing some of the electron microscope work that they were doing at the time. And this is one where they were refined it, trying to get what's the ultimate resolution, really building the thing from first principles. And they were able at that point to see single atoms. And that was really, something where I said, okay, wow. To me, this is groundbreaking.